Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, the channel is mostly about restoring my 1965 Mustang Coupe. I'll leave a link somewhere over here to the full project list. Today we're just going to do a little recap update sort of video, what I've been doing for the last couple weeks since I haven't had a video. So what have we been doing the last couple weeks? All right, the last couple weeks have really been spent doing some background work. I've been ordering parts, waiting for parts to come in. I ordered new frame rails for the rear, trunk floor drop-offs. I ordered some chassis stiffening components from Mike Meyer Inc. In the process of painting those. Outside of the Mustang project, I had to do a little work on the daily driver. The car needed rear brakes, tires, front brakes. Rear brakes are done, tires are done. Front brakes, I'm waiting on new calipers because the right front caliper sticks every now and then and causes the rotor to really heat up to the point where it overheats and almost seizes. So I have to, when that happens, I have to pull over, let it cool down, and for whatever reason it frees up and it's fine for days or maybe even weeks. So we're just waiting on new calipers for that. Throw in a couple of weekends with activities with my family and time gets chewed up pretty quickly, which is fine. I don't expect this car to be done tomorrow or this year. It's going to be a multi-year project anyway. So what are some of the channel related projects that I've been doing? Let me just get out the list here of some stuff that we've been doing lately. I have been building a cart for the plasma cutter. I got tired of dragging it around. I'll leave a link somewhere here to the build of that when it's done. A couple other things are we're working on finishing up the body jig for the car. And we'll walk around over here and you can see that the steel has come in. I'm hoping in the next day or so to be starting on that. I want to finish the plasma cutter cart first. That way that project is out of the way. It's about half done and I should get it done this weekend. So where am I at with the Mustang? Well, in the last video we cut out the trunk floor. And this is what's left of the trunk floor. Some of the other things I've been working on with the Mustang is researching what will the order be of taking apart all these parts and putting them back together. My goal for this, I guess, summer season is going to be try to get the main floor removed and have the new transition pan, the new firewall in, which will include all stuff around the cowl. Maybe not the cowl itself, but the side panels will be up. Fairly ambitious, but I think we can get it done. So a couple other things. Once the jig is completed, we'll be mounting the car, or I'll be mounting the car on the jig so I can start taking things apart. One of the first things I'm going to be doing is replacing the inner rocker panels with inner rocker panels from a convertible. The convertible inner rocker panels are boxed, whereas for the Coupe and the Fastback, they're just flat pieces of steel. The box will, or the boxed inner rocker will stiffen the unibody significantly, and that's what I'm trying to do. Once I get that video, I will leave a link again somewhere up here for it. And for this last segment of this update video, every project needs a name. Joe Daddy's Garage has Jade, Mystique, and the Brooklyn Pony, a couple others. Grease Rookie Garage has his Iron 6. Third Stall Garage has his convertible called Vin. So what should we call this project? I have a couple ideas in my head what I might want to call it. But over the course of the next couple of videos, I'll be asking for comments to see what some of you guys think about what the name should be. And I don't know, maybe 2-3 videos from now, we'll try to make a decision and see what it's called. All right, so until then, think of some ideas and we will see you in the next video.